Fujifilm has long occupied a special position in the mirrorless camera world, not simply as a manufacturer of imaging tools, but as a brand with a clearly defined philosophy. When photographers hear the name Fujifilm, certain images immediately come to mind: elegantly designed retro-style camera bodies, solid metal construction, physical dials that click with reassuring precision, and a color science rooted in decades of film heritage. These qualities have helped Fujifilm build a deeply loyal user base that values the emotional and tactile experience of photography just as much as technical output. It is this strong identity, carefully cultivated over years, that makes every new Fujifilm release feel meaningful. With the arrival of the Fujifilm X-Pro6, the newest evolution of the celebrated X-Pro series, that sense of anticipation has once again reached a peak. The X-Pro line has never been designed to follow market trends blindly. While other mirrorless cameras compete aggressively on specifications like burst speed, video resolution, and autofocus benchmarks, the X-Pro series has consistently taken a more deliberate path. It has focused on craftsmanship, restraint, and a shooting experience inspired by classic rangefinder cameras. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 continues this tradition, but it also forces an unavoidable and important question into the spotlight. Is this camera truly worth its premium price? Does it justify the excitement and expectations built up over years of waiting? And perhaps most importantly, does it offer real, practical advantages for photographers working in today's fast-moving professional and enthusiast landscape, or is it primarily a beautiful, nostalgic object aimed at emotion rather than utility? This question is especially relevant in the modern camera market. Today's mirrorless systems are more powerful than ever, offering sophisticated autofocus systems with subject recognition, extreme frame rates, advanced video codecs, and impressive low-light performance. In such an environment, any camera that positions itself as a premium tool must prove its value clearly. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 therefore cannot rely solely on heritage or design. It must deliver a compelling overall experience that balances image quality, usability, durability, and long-term satisfaction. This analysis aims to look beyond the initial visual appeal and examine the X-Pro6 in a practical, real-world context, helping photographers decide whether it is a smart investment or a camera best admired from a distance. To properly evaluate the Fujifilm X-Pro6, it is essential to understand the legacy of the X-Pro series itself. The original X-Pro 1 played a crucial role in establishing Fujifilm's modern mirrorless identity. At a time when mirrorless cameras were still finding their footing, Fujifilm introduced a system that combined advanced digital imaging with the spirit of classic film cameras. The goal was never mass-market dominance. Instead, the X-Pro series targeted photographers who valued a slower, more intentional approach, one that emphasized composition, timing, and personal engagement with the scene. Over time, the series evolved through models like the X-Pro 2 and X-Pro 3. Each generation brought improvements, but always within the same philosophical framework. Fujifilm was never afraid to make bold design choices in the X-Pro line, even if those choices divided opinion. The X-Pro 3, with its hidden rear screen, is a perfect example. By limiting constant image review, Fujifilm encouraged photographers to trust their instincts and stay immersed in the moment. This context is vital when approaching the X-Pro6, because it makes clear that this camera is not designed to be universally appealing. It is a specialist tool, built for a specific mindset and style of photography. In a market driven by constant innovation and feature expansion, the X-Pro philosophy can feel almost rebellious. Where other brands push for more automation and speed, the Fujifilm X-Pro6 emphasizes control, tactility, and thoughtful operation. It promises not just good images, but a rewarding process of creating them. For many photographers, especially those who shoot street, documentary, travel, or personal projects, this promise carries significant weight. Design and build quality have always been cornerstones of the X-Pro experience, and the Fujifilm X-Pro6 is expected to uphold this tradition. The physical presence of an X-Pro camera is unmistakable. The weight feels purposeful, the materials feel premium, and the controls are designed to be used rather than hidden behind menus. For photographers who value the feel of a camera as much as its output, these details matter enormously. They shape the relationship between the photographer and the tool. Fujifilm has consistently demonstrated attention to detail and construction, and the X-Pro series represents the pinnacle of this approach. The X-Pro6 is widely expected to feature a durable metal alloy body, extensive weather sealing, and a refined control layout that builds on the strengths of previous models. One of its most distinctive features remains the hybrid viewfinder, which allows users to switch between an optical rangefinder-style view and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder. This system offers a level of flexibility and immersion that few modern cameras can match. For some photographers, the hybrid viewfinder alone is reason enough to choose an XPro camera. Image quality is, of course, central to any camera's value, and the Fujifilm X-Pro6 enters this discussion with a strong reputation behind it. Fujifilm's APS-C sensors have long been praised for their balance of resolution, dynamic range, and noise performance. However, what truly differentiates Fujifilm is its color science. The company's film simulations are deeply integrated into the shooting experience, offering distinct looks inspired by decades of analog film development. These simulations allow photographers to achieve pleasing, character-rich images straight out of the camera, often reducing the need for heavy editing. If the X-Pro6 introduces further refinements to color rendering or new film simulation modes, it could strengthen its appeal significantly. For photographers who prioritize still photography and want consistent, attractive results without extensive post-processing, this aspect of the camera cannot be overstated. It is not simply about technical accuracy, but about emotional resonance and visual style. Autofocus performance is another area where expectations have changed dramatically in recent years. While the XPro series has never been aimed at high-speed sports or wildlife photography, modern users still expect reliable and responsive autofocus. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 must deliver confident performance for street photography, portraits, travel, and everyday use. Improvements in subject detection, eye tracking, and low-light focusing would help ensure that the camera feels modern and capable, even if it does not aim to dominate performance charts. Usability in real-world scenarios is where the X-Pro6's philosophy truly reveals itself. The camera's reliance on physical dials for shutter speed, exposure compensation, and ISO encourages a more hands-on approach to shooting. For many photographers, this is deeply satisfying. It creates a sense of control and engagement that touchscreen-heavy designs often lack. For others, particularly those accustomed to highly automated systems, it may feel slower or less efficient. This difference in perception is central to the XPro experience and plays a major role in determining whether the camera feels worth its price. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 also benefits from one of the strongest APS-C lens ecosystems available. The X-mount system offers a wide range of native lenses, from compact primes that perfectly complement the camera's rangefinder-style design to professional zooms and specialty optics. This mature ecosystem ensures that photographers can tailor the camera to their specific needs without compromise. It also adds long-term value, as users can invest in lenses with confidence that the system will continue to evolve. For others, especially those who prioritize speed, versatility, or video performance, the X-Pro6 may feel like an expensive indulgence rather than a practical tool. There is no single correct answer to the question of whether it is worth it. The Fujifilm X-Pro6 is a statement camera, one that reflects Fujifilm's belief that photography should be engaging, intentional, and personal. If that philosophy aligns with your own, the X-Pro6 may not just be worth it, it may become a camera you truly love to use.